The United States Air Force is preparing to introduce what could become the most advanced fighter jet ever built. It's designed to exceed Mach 2, operate at significantly greater range than current aircraft, and even command a network of AI-powered drones directly from the cockpit. Its first flight is expected around 2028, and it represents a major shift in how air combat will be fought. For over 2 decades, the F-22 Raptor has been the benchmark for air superiority. Entering service in 2005, it was the world's first operational 5th-generation stealth fighter. With supercruise capability, thrust vectoring, and an extremely low radar signature, it dominated the skies like nothing before it. But even the best technology has limits. Despite its unmatched performance, the F-22 faces a critical challenge. Its architecture has reached a point where integrating new software and systems is increasingly difficult. In modern warfare, where software, sensors, and connectivity evolve rapidly, that limitation matters. The battlefield is changing faster than the aircraft can adapt. Meanwhile, nations like China and Russia are advancing their own next-generation fighter programs and air defense systems. The technological gap that once heavily favored the United States is narrowing. This is where the Next Generation Air Dominance Program comes in, the initiative that has led to the development of the F-47 fighter jet. For years, the program remained highly classified. Then in 2025, the project was publicly confirmed, with Boeing selected as the primary contractor. Backed by tens of billions of dollars in development funding, the F-47 is not just an upgrade, it's a generational leap. So what makes it different? First, range. The F-47 is expected to operate at distances exceeding 1,000 nautical miles, nearly double that of the F-22. In vast regions like the Pacific, that extended reach is critical for both strategy and survivability. Second, propulsion. The aircraft will likely use next-generation adaptive cycle engines, such as the XA-103 adaptive cycle engine. These engines can dynamically switch between efficiency and maximum thrust modes, offering both extended range and high-speed performance when needed. Stealth is also evolving. The F-47 is expected to incorporate advanced materials, smoother airframe geometry, and possibly a tailless design to reduce detectability even further against modern radar systems. But the most transformative feature isn't speed or stealth, it's how the aircraft fights. Unlike the F-22, which operates largely as an independent platform, the F-47 is designed to function as the central node of a combat network. From the cockpit, the pilot can control multiple collaborative combat aircraft, autonomous drones that perform tasks such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy operations, and even direct engagement. This approach fundamentally changes air combat. High-risk missions can be assigned to unmanned systems, reducing danger to human pilots while expanding operational flexibility. The fighter becomes less of a lone warrior and more of a battlefield commander. At the same time, potential adversaries are not standing still. China, in particular, continues to invest heavily in advanced fighter prototypes and integrated air defense systems. The pace of technological competition is accelerating. The F-47 is designed not just to keep up, but to stay decisively ahead. As of early 2026, development is reportedly progressing on schedule. The first prototype is already in production, with an initial flight planned for 2028. Full operational capability is expected in the 2030s, marking the transition from 5th generation to 6th generation air dominance. However, there is one major concern: cost and production scale. History offers a warning. The F-22 program was significantly reduced from its original planned numbers, leading to a smaller fleet and higher per-unit costs. Analysts worry the same could happen again. If procurement numbers are cut, even the most advanced aircraft may struggle to meet global operational demands. To address this, the Air Force is pairing a smaller number of manned fighters with a much larger fleet of autonomous drones, aiming to balance capability with quantity. Ultimately, the F-47 represents more than just a new aircraft. It reflects a broader shift in military strategy, one that prioritizes integration, autonomy, and adaptability in an increasingly complex battle space. The F-22 defined an era of air dominance. The F-47 is intended to define the next, and when it finally takes to the skies, it won't just mark the arrival of a new fighter, it will signal the beginning of a new chapter in aerial warfare.